fractions. And what do we have? Our first example, we have x over 3 plus x over 4 equals 7 over 4. Okay, so a lot of people would say, all right, let's combine the fractions, get it into one fraction, and solve. I'm going to show you the best way that I like to do it is multiply it by the L.C.D. Get the L.C.D. So we look at 3, 4, and 12. The L.C.D. is 12. I mean 3, 4, and 4. The L.C.D. is 12. So we're going to multiply everything by the L.C.D. to get rid of it. Remember, we don't like working, or I don't like working, maybe you do, with fractions. I mean, I love fractions, but I don't like working with them. So when I can, I get rid of the fraction as soon as possible. So that goes in 4 times, so I get 4x. That goes in 3 times, I get 3x. That goes in 3 times, I get equals 21. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Equal 21, divide by 7, and x is equal to 3. Okay, I won't do it, but I want you guys to go back and check to see if indeed that is the answer. So you see, one move gets rid of the fractions, and that's the first move, is multiply by the least common denominator. Cancel out your fractions, and then just solve for x. Okay, very good. And here we have another one, 3x over 5 minus x over 2 equals 1 over 20. Okay, same idea. What's the LCD here? 20 is our LCD. I'm going to multiply everything by the LCD. 20, 20, and 20. That cancels. This is equal to 1. 2 goes into 20 10 times, 10x. 5 goes into 20 4 times. That's 12x. So I get 12x minus 10x is 2x equals 1. Therefore, divide by 2, x is equal to 1/2. Okay, and there's our solution. And again, I leave it to you guys to check that out. Make sure that is the answer. Okay, keep going with these problems. And here's our next one. We have x over 5 minus x plus 4 over 7 equals 0. Okay, same idea. What are we going to do? Multiply by the LCD, least common denominator. What is the LCD, you ask? So let's take a look. 5 and 7, the LCD is going to be 35. Very good. So 35, 35, and don't forget about this. I know it doesn't make a difference, but it's good practice. 35 times 0 will give us 0. 7 goes into 35 5 times. Distribute out our 5, I get 5x plus 20, but that's a negative 5, so I get negative 5x. Negative 5x minus 20. 5 goes into 35 7 times, so I have 7x. Okay, and there goes my fraction. It's done. That's why we do this. So I'm going to say 7x minus 5x is 2x minus 20 equals 0. Add the 20. Add the 20. And what do I get? I get 2x is equal to 20. Divide by 2, and x equals 10. Okay? Very good. Not too bad. Again, get rid of the algebraic, get rid of the fraction with that one move, find the LCD. And let's do one more. Let's get a little more complicated. You know it's going to get a little more complicated because it always does.